Today we're going to show you the Arduino Training 2020 lesson number 4, analog read function. Today we're going to use the analog read the LDR sensor. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. Okay, so with this LDR sensor, we're going to analog read to the Arduino pin A0, and with the sensor value go down to a certain amount, we're going to trigger the pin 13 to a delay to trigger the AC bulb. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take a look. This is the light dependent resistor. Okay, one end of the resistor go to the positive, the other end we need a 10k ohm resistor go to ground, and the signal A0 go to the Arduino A0. Okay, so we going to test out, and then later on we're going to show you how to write the code in the IDE. So now the resistor value is more than 700. If I put anything that's covered very black, cover it, immediately will trigger the delay, and the delay will trigger the light. Okay, now we test out. Okay, so if the light blocking black box, okay, immediately will trigger the LDR sensor, and the analog signal will drop, the value will drop, and then trigger the delay of the AC bulb. If nothing out is very covered,
how the analog read in Arduino IDE code. First of all, we constant integer LDR. The hardware is analog 0. Means the LDR input pin is from analog 0, and then we constant integer the light is the output is digital pin number 13. Okay, during the void cell out loop. Okay, we need to open the serial monitor. This serial monitor with the boundary of 9006. So we define the LDR is an input, and we define the light is an output. Subsequently, in the void loop, in the programming loop function, we integer a LDR status to read the LDR hardware. This is a hardware part, and then the value will pass to the LDR status, and then we pin out to the serial monitor the LDR status. So we do a determination here. If the LDR status is smaller than 700, okay, and then we turn on the pin number 13, the light is the 13, okay, put it to high, and then pin out LDR is dark, light is on. Else the LDR is greater than 700, okay, we turn off the light, this is the pin number 13, and then pin out, the light is bright, LDR is bright, light is off. Okay, so we take a look of the okay, now we take a look of how it appear in the serial monitor. Okay, we plug in, okay, and then make sure Arduino is the COM port number 5, okay, and then we turn on the LDR on the, okay, so now it's 873, it's very bright, the light is off. Okay, so the light is off because the LDR is very bright, so we try to cover the LDR. Okay, so now